If you're looking to track Outgrow performance in Google Tag Manager, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the entire process, from setting up to analyzing the data, so you can take full advantage of Outgrow's performance metrics in GTM. Stick with me until the end, and I'll show you how to set this up with a special extended free trial that you can access through the link below. Outgrow is an interactive content platform that allows you to create engaging quizzes, assessments, and calculators. But when it comes to tracking how well these features are performing, integrating it with Google Tag Manager, GTM, is essential. It's an easy way to monitor user interactions and understand how your content is driving results without diving deep into code. To start, you'll need to make sure you've already set up Outgrow on your website and that Google Tag Manager is installed. You'll also need to have basic knowledge of GTM, as we'll be using it to track user interactions with your Outgrow content. The first step is to add the Outgrow tracking code to your website. Outgrow provides a tracking script that captures key interactions, like submissions, button clicks, and other user activities. Once the script is in place, go to Google Tag Manager. You'll be creating a new tag specifically for Outgrow tracking. For this, choose a custom HTML tag and paste the Outgrow tracking code inside it. This allows GTM to listen to the user interactions coming from Outgrow and send that data to Google Analytics or any other analytics tool you're using. Next, you'll want to set up triggers. These are the conditions that will fire the tag based on user actions. For instance, if someone completes a quiz or submits a form on Outgrow, you'll create a trigger in GTM that fires the tag when those specific actions occur. This is key to tracking Outgrow performance, as it allows you to capture detailed event data like submission rates or how far users progress within a quiz. Once the tag and trigger are set, test your setup using GTM's preview mode. This will allow you to see if the tags are firing correctly whenever a user interacts with your Outgrow content. If everything looks good in preview mode, go ahead and publish your changes. Now that you've set up the tracking, you can move on to analyzing the data in Google Analytics or your preferred tool. By reviewing the data, you'll gain insights into which parts of your content are getting the most interaction, whether users are completing quizzes or where they might be dropping off. This is invaluable for improving engagement and optimizing your content strategy. One of the benefits of using Google Tag Manager with Outgrow is the flexibility it gives you. You can track any interaction on your content, from button clicks to form submissions. This allows you to customize the data you're collecting based on your specific business goals. Additionally, GTM's ability to integrate with Google Analytics means you can create detailed reports and dashboards to track performance over time. Remember, the real value of tracking Outgrow performance in Google Tag Manager is the ability to make data-driven decisions. By knowing exactly how your interactive content is performing, you can refine your strategies, optimize user engagement, and ultimately drive better results. As a bonus, if you use the link below, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of Outgrow, giving you a chance to test everything out for yourself and dive deeper into how you can optimize your interactive content and track performance with GTM. I hope this video helped you understand how to track Outgrow performance in Google Tag Manager and gave you the knowledge you need to implement it right away. Be sure to check out the free trial link below to get started.